particular time, me and Mig we went to Alabama to try to help tornado victims. And we just went over there to try to help piece these people's lives back together. And when we did, me and him was sitting in the truck together, and we pulled up to this house, and there was an older guy. The part of his house was blown off, and stuff's out in the yard. And we went in and talked to the guy, and he didn't have the means to fix his house or even put tarps on it or whatever to keep the rain out and the weather. We talked to the guy and got it okayed for us to go ahead and try to help him with whatever we could. And whenever we got back in the truck, it was just like a light at the end of the tunnel, and something hit me upside the head, and I knew that I was where I needed to be, that we were doing what we needed to be. And I told Mig then, I said, he started to leave, and I told him, I said, just hold on a minute, let's just stop. I got something I want to talk to you about. And I told him, I said, look, I said, we've rode together, hung out together and stuff for years and years. And the feeling I've got now, as far as having my brothers around me, the people that support us, and just knowing that there's somebody there at any time. You can't buy that. You can't go to the bank and borrow the money to buy it. There's nothing you can do to get that unless you're in this particular set.
We're here because we already were people that cared about others. We're people that enjoy hanging out with each other, and we enjoy the social life. We enjoy riding motorcycles, but there's nothing like going out and doing something for somebody else.
Basically what we've done is we've turned our enjoyment for riding motorcycles, we've taken our bikes and we've turned them into a tool. We use our bikes for the attention for the community, and we've just been overwhelmed and blessed with it. It doesn't matter if we're helping a family out because their living situation is under par, or if we're helping somebody at Christmas, or if we're helping the school lunch deficit. This group of guys that we've built and put together, I've never had a bond like that or a relationship like that with anybody else in my life. What people don't understand when you get into this motorcycle community is this is your chosen family. I spend more time with these guys than I do my own family because of the community outreach and the work that we do.
Our mission and what we call part of our mission is the least of these. It's Matthew 25:40 out of sacred scripture, and it's to serve the least of these. You know, a lot of people want to slap their religious identity on their car or on their shirt or whatever. We live it. We walk the talk, and that's something that coming into this organization, you have to prove to me. Your heart needs to be where charity is.